Hey guys, I am so excited in this video because this is a huge amount of airdrops. Money is giving you by the Tensor Protocol airdrop, and this is a huge. You can don't examine what's the amount that they are giving for their winners and their participants to the airdrop. So before we dive into the crypto, I have a request from my side to you. Please hit the subscribe button on the channel so you can get the latest update about airdrop that are coming or that are upcoming. So let's start about the denser airdrop protocol. So what is the denser airdrop protocol? Is a price pool of 900 million denser tokens. That means you will get the 1,800,000 dollars in airdrop and claim thus $10,000 10,000 number of denser tokens for free and earn BNB commission by referring friend. If you refer a friend, you will also get the BNB as a commission. So let's talk about a denser protocol. What is a denser protocol? Denser protocol stands as a constitute of seamless Web3 cross blockchain trading. It enables Swift NFT and accept swap across chains, delivering stockbrokers like simplicity via frictionless swap. The platform operates on a self-constitutional framework, assuring a decentralized trading future. How to join a Tensor protocol airdrops? That's a big question. So let's talk about how can you join the Tensor protocol airdrops. First of all, what's the price pool? It's the 900 million tokens of Tensor protocols. Winner FCFS. That means first come first serve. If you come in first, you will get the maximum amount of tokens by the airdrops. Deadline, what's the deadline? It's 15 October 2023. That's a long time after, and we have not too much time to participate in this airdrop. So let's go on the airdrop and talk about the requirements to earn a free token from the Tensor protocol airdrops. So here's some information about the Tensor protocol airdrops. Visit the Tensor protocol self drop page. I have given the link on the description of the video. You can get the link and go for the Tensor protocol self drop page. Connect your MetaMask wallet and click claim. Just as simple as. You don't have to follow any other thing. You don't have to retweet anything. Just connect your MetaMask wallet and click claim. Approve the transaction. Include a small gas fees of BNB. That's a small. It's just like $1 or $2 to receive 10,000 free dancer tokens. Do you understand? You have to do not do anything. Just connect your MetaMask wallet and claim it. And generate a referral link to earn a $10 BNB commission and a $20 dancer tokens commission for each new friend who can claim the airdrop and purchase token. You will also get the referral link. You can share with your friend, and if they claim that tokens for free, you will also get the commission. And you can also follow the Tensor protocol on Twitter and Telegram, so you will get the additional reward, and you can also get the latest update about the airdrops. This video is not for financial advice, so don't take it as a financial advice. It's an informational video. If you want to participate in airdrop, you can do. If you don't want to, you do not have to be airdrop. That's a informational video. So this is the airdrop for the Tensor protocol. Hope you understand the video and how can you participate the airdrops. It's also explained by me. So if you want to participate, link on the description of the video, and hit the subscribe button, and please don't forget to like the video if you completed it, and you will get the Tensor token. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.